Hello guys, if you are searching of a new smartphone and your budget is limited, then we have the right smartphone for you. In today's video review, we present an ultra budget rugged smartphone from the FOSSiBOT brand. In addition to water dust and shock resistance, it also comes with a large 10,300 mAh battery and a gorgeous 6.7-inch screen. In any case, take a look at the review of the new FOSSiBOT F105 ultra budget rugged phone. FOSSiBOT F105 is packed in a brand's traditional flat orange box with an almost square shape. The design is minimalistic, only the silver logo of the brand of the front, so let's see what's inside. Besides our phone, there is a F105 user manual, SIM pin, USB Type-C cable and a 10-volt charger. Now that we examine all the contents of the box, let's look at our smartphone. The design of the FOSSiBOT F105 can be called simply standard by the standards of robust smartphones. A massive body made of black rubberized plastic, the corners are cut at 45 degrees and they are additionally strengthened with the small protrusions. The back panel is decorated with the carbon fiber texture and the brand logo. I received a model in a full black color for review, although there will be also a slightly more cheerful version with the details in light green and the orange color, in addition to this completely black one. The build quality is excellent. The materials, despite the affordable price, do not look cheap. The caps fit tightly, a protective film is already applied to the screen outside the box, which is particularly useful. In general, the appearance of the smartphone does not raise any doubts about its security. While holding in your hand, you can't tell from anything that this is a really cheap phone, but it really is. You can check the price in the official sales link below this video and you will be surprised. So on the right side in the frame we have two wall buttons, a power button and a separate fingerprint sensor. On the opposite side, under this rubber cover that guarantees 100% water resistance, we find a SIM card drawer which has two slots for as many as two 4G SIM cards, or the option of one SIM card and one memory card at the same time. On the bottom side we find the USB Type-C port protected by a robust rubber flap that ensures a waterproof seal when the charging cable is removed. The F105 sports a large 6.7-inch IPS display with a resolution of 1600 by 720 pixels and a 19:9 aspect ratio. This provides a pleasant experience for using multimedia contents, games and photos. With a refresh rate of 16 Hz, it looks modest. However, for the money it performs quite well. Colors do not fade to blue, viewing angles are near minimum, and 420 nits of brightness is sufficient for almost all conditions. You just have to look carefully on the bright sunny days. Multi-touch with the support of 10 touch points was a pleasant surprise. The vibrant screen and acceptable black halo contributes to the commendable contrast ratio. Colors remain mostly accurate, clear and sharp enough for pleasant viewing of the content on the screen. For users with moderate expectations, this screen is more than capable for all your daily needs, such as web browsing, social media use, and if you need all-day YouTube video viewing without problems. As for the front camera, in a decent notch we find a 5-megapixel selfie camera lens, which will handle all your occasional selfies and video calls flawlessly, but don't expect any miracles here. From behind there is as many as 3 lenses on the rear camera unit of the phone. Although at the moment of this review I don't have all the details about the lenses, but what I know is that the main lens is a 30 megapixel, so all the other cameras are most likely something like AI analytical unit and a depth sensor. It was hardly worth expecting any achievements in terms of photo quality from a cheap rugged phone, but for its level the camera shots quite well. with a normal color reproduction, good clarity, no noticeable noise or other distortions, so we get a solid photos in this price range. The smartphone also supports 1080 pixel video recording at 30 fps. Now, to get a feel for the camera performance, it's best to check out a few samples that we took using our F105 camera, so let's take a look. The FOSSiBOT F105 runs on the latest Android 40 operating system, offering exceptional multitasking capabilities and smooth up switching. It delivers a clean Android experience free from unnecessary bloatware and unexpected odds. With the pre-installed Google Play Store, users have access to the latest applications, games and regular updates. The F105 also provides extensive customization options, allowing users to personalize dark themes, wallpapers, interface colors, and all other features supported by new Android 14. The pure Android interface ensures a streamlined experience without additional bloatware applications. The smartphone is powered by a relatively modest MediaTek Helio P22 processor, but for daily use and under-mating users it's quite sufficient. The MediaTek Helio P22 is an octa-core processor designed for budget smartphones, featuring advanced AI support, dual VoLTE and a Bluetooth 5.0. Built using TSMC's 12nm technology, it offers efficient performance and supports high-quality image capabilities. You can also play new view games from the Google Play Store, but the graphics settings will have to be lowered. It will be enough for casual gaming if you free time, but don't expect any miracles. Regarding memory, the phone offers a basic 4GB of RAM, and it's possible to expand the RAM by using virtual memory. The storage capacity is only 64GB. We can expand it in such a way that the phone supports memory cards. The maximum capacity is limited to 128GB, which is quite enough for basic needs of undemanding users. The autonomy of the smartphone is also excellent. The battery capacity of 10,300 mAh easily lasts you several days, in my case at least 4 days of intensive use, which is an excellent result. It is also worth mentioning reverse charging. A smartphone can easily replace a power bank, although the charging speed will be relatively low, but it will serve its purpose. According to the manufacturer, FOSSiBOT F105 is certified to IP68, IP69 standards, which means complete protection from dust and moisture with the possibility of immersion in water, as well as resistant to exposure of pressurized water jets. The MIL-STD 810H certified, which also implies shock resistance, is not indicated anywhere and is not known to me at the time of the recording the review, although the design of the smartphone suggests it by its appearance. The phone survived all my accidental drops and water splashes. FOSSiBOT F105 is fantastic budget rugged smartphone that impressed on many fronts. Its robust design, featuring a durable rubberized plastic body and reinforced corners, ensuring excellent protection against drops, water and dust. The 6.7-inch IPS display offers vibrant colors and good brightness, making it enjoyable for multimedia use. Running the latest Android 14, it offers a clean and customizable user experience without any bloatware. The massive 10,300 mAh battery provides exceptional battery life, lasting several days on a single charge. With a feature like reverse charging, the phone can even serve as a power bank. For those seeking a reliable and durable smartphone at an extra affordable price, the F105 is outstanding choice without competition in this price range. So don't miss your opportunity to take advantage of this current promotional pricing and get yourself a FOSSiBOT F105 today. Act quickly as the quantities are limited. That's all for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon in the next video review. Bye.